welcome back, welcome back. It's the DMV Web Doctor, located in Bowie, Maryland, honey. I know you hear those vocals. I am a retired vocal major from Howard and Hampton University. But today we're going to be talking about trichology and nutrition. Okay, and one of the main topics for our series for the trichology and nutrition series is that we're going to be talking about incorporating natural forms of detoxing. Now, today we're going to try to keep it snappy. Okay, so first things first, some ways that you can incorporating mild detoxing to your day-to-day basis can be using castor oil packs, sauna therapy, coffee enemas, taking detox herbs in small amounts. And these things are excellent. These are what, and below we're going to give you a couple of lists of things, some of the results of doing some of the different type of protocols that we were talking about earlier as far as detoxing is concerned. Okay, so this is tip number 1. This helps to cleanse excess fluid, waste, and uric acid to be removed from the body. I know a lot of people sometimes are dealing with swelling and inflammation and pain in the body. And also, if you're overweight or just have excess body fat, it also helps to drain a lot of fluids from the body. And another one that we did not list also is lemon water. Lemon water is excellent for this. It helps to stimulate the lymphatic system, and it's just is excellent as far as bringing mucus out of the body. However, it does make you go to the bathroom a lot. That's why I stopped doing as much, but I mean, it's great if you're just starting off and you're trying to lose a lot of weight and just get your system cleaned out. Okay, rule number 2, helps to rebuild the immune system, especially during a time like this with the pandemic. We want to make sure that our immune system is in tip-top shape. Okay, this is another tip 3. It causes bad bacteria cells also to be destroyed. And this can come from coffee enemas, and it helps to rebuild good bacteria to help promote that and help to get that balance a little bit better. A lot of people are dealing with a lot of diarrhea, parasites, candida, things of that nature that can be caused from having too much bad bacteria in the gut. And also with sauna therapy, the cells can any bad cells or cells that are not as strong, weak cells, they can die off while doing these different detox protocols. All right, this is rule number, I believe it's 4. Helps to produce bile and recreate natural glutathione in the body. When you're doing especially the castor oil pack and the coffee enema, these things help to stimulate your system naturally to detox naturally. I know there are a lot of detoxing teas. We don't believe in detoxing. However, we do believe in rebuilding up the immune system and cleansing naturally through the natural ways that God made, through sweat and urination and going and eliminating fecal matter from your body. Okay, and lastly, I'm trying to keep this fast. Aids in better digestion and food absorption. A lot of people are dealing with gut issues, especially now with the epidemic of leaky gut and the new gluten sensitivities that have come from all the different type of ingredients in our food, especially the glyphosates and things, pesticides that are, they're just heavily enriched into our foods nowadays because the people like, I think it's a San Montos. I believe I pronounced that right. And lastly, when you do some of the things that we talked about earlier, coffee enemas, castor oil packs, taking detox herbs, you also build oxytocin in the body, which is a hormone that helps reduce stress, cortisol, which can make you gain more weight and lose more hair, and also keeps the other hormones in balance and helps also with insulin production as well. For more information, please schedule with the Weave Doctor at mainattractionshair.com and DM us for more information and video ideas. Thank you so much. Have a fabulous afternoon. Bye.